Alright, this should be the fourth homework for the physics 2. So the figure below shows four identical conducting spheres that are actually well separated from one another. Sphere W with an initial charge of 0 is touched to sphere A. Then they are separated. Next, sphere W is touched to sphere B. And they're separated. And finally, it's touched to sphere C. So what we can say here is WA is going to be equal to 0 since W has an initial charge of 0 plus sphere A, which we don't know, divided by 2. We can simplify this and we can just say that this is going to be A over 2. Then it is touched to sphere B. So WB is going to be equal to A over 2 minus, 32E. And this whole thing is going to be over 2. So now we multiply each side of this by 2. This becomes, that becomes 4, doesn't it? This becomes just A. This becomes, what is this going to be? 64E. And then this is going to become a 4. So then this is going to be equal to is it just 64 over 4? I guess the whole thing's going to be over 4. It's left like this. It's going to be minus. Let's see. 64 divided by 4 should be like 16. Very interesting. So next, we're going to say that A minus 64E over 4 plus 42E all divided by 2. I forgot to say WC. So now we'll multiply each of these by 2. Yeah. I think it should be maybe 4. Yeah. Now this all goes away. And then 42 times 4 is going to be 168. And then this is going to be 8. And 168 divided by 8 should be like 21. This is horribly similar to my method that I did earlier, but I don't know, something's gonna change here. And now let's do 168 subtract 64, 104, divide that by 8, 13. Yeah, this is getting really similar to my setup. So now we've got A plus 104 over 8. And it says that W equals 12. So we have 12E equals, this is supposed to be E, A plus 104E all over 8. We multiply this by 8, so we have 12 times 8. So we have 96E. And then we have 104E plus 104E. So now we do 104 minus 96. And A equals 8. Dang, they get the right answer doing it this way.